So we do our musket drill in Gaelic. We do a simplified Gaelic musket drill. And so that is, so Ami Cliv Shabain is the first command, arm yourselves. Okay. And then we do, yeah, so, all right, no, well, we can all right. So, all right, this is so, Ami Cliv Shabain. So, Gwelen Vormusk. Luchech Vormusk.
Army left them out.
Change
We can't do it in real life.
And the actual British Army manual of arms at this time has like 40-something different steps for completing this. We have simplified it down to a few because Scottish Highlanders, there are very few that would have had experience with firearms, and so whenever they do acquire firearms during the Jacobite Rebellion, you're taking people that had no access to it, very little experience with it, and trying to drill them into some semblance of a working army. And so, we'll do the commands by extreme elevation first. Jean Ular, Pour, Lush, Fine, Fiorash, Gwelen, Robust, Fakhi, which is go away.
Thanks, man. That's aim. Ready, aim, fire.
Well, it's plain blood.
Oh, good.
It's not personal.
Wait, did you bleed on somebody else's gun?
Maybe.
That's a faux fight.
Well, thank you for that demonstration.